Welcome to HomePantry, and today we are diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your everyday cooking, the Sur La Table signature stainless steel skillet. If you're tired of unevenly cooked food, struggling with hot spots, or just looking for a reliable workhorse in your kitchen, then stick around because this skillet might just be your new best friend. This isn't just any skillet. Sur La Table has taken inspiration from classic French cookware, aiming to refine and improve upon what's already considered the best. And you can feel that ambition from the moment you pick it up. It's constructed with a blend of stainless steel and aluminum, a combination that's crucial for performance. The aluminum core is sandwiched between layers of stainless steel. This design is the secret sauce behind its exceptional heat transfer capabilities. What does that mean for you in the kitchen? It means your skillet heats up quickly and, more importantly, evenly. This is a game changer for searing meats, sautéing delicate vegetables, or even just frying an egg without that frustrating one side burnt, the other side pale scenario. You can crank up the heat for a proper sear, confident that you won't end up with hot spots that scorch your food. Let's talk about build quality and design. The riveted handle is a classic feature, and for good reason. It's not just for aesthetics. A solid rivet ensures that the handle stays securely attached, no matter how much you use it or how heavy the pan gets. This provides a level of confidence and control when you're maneuvering the skillet around a stovetop, whether you're flipping ingredients or just moving it from burner to oven. The handle itself is designed for comfort, though its ergonomic feel can be subjective and depends on your hand size. Now, let's look at the finer details that Sur La Table highlights. They've incorporated chef-inspired elements, like gently curved sides and rounded edges. These aren't just design flourishes. The curved sides make it incredibly easy to slide a spatula underneath your food, whether you're tossing vegetables or flipping pancakes. This feature significantly improves your ability to cook and serve with precision, reducing the chances of damaging delicate items or making a mess. The rounded edges contribute to that seamless transition between the pan's base and its sides, further aiding in easy cooking and cleanup. The versatility of this skillet is another major selling point. The product details mention frying eggs and cooking vegetables, but its capabilities extend far beyond that. Because of its even heating and the ability to withstand high temperatures, you can confidently use it for searing steaks, pan-frying chicken, creating delicious pan sauces, and even baking. It's the kind of skillet that can truly do it all, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen, from a beginner cook to an experienced chef. Of course, no product is perfect, and we need to consider potential downsides. While the stainless steel construction is durable and non-reactive, it does require a bit of technique to achieve a non-stick experience, especially compared to a dedicated non-stick pan. Preheating the skillet properly and using sufficient cooking fat are key. For some users, this learning curve might be a minor inconvenience. Also, while the handle is secure, its shape might not be universally comfortable for all hand sizes. Cleaning stainless steel can also require a bit more effort than a Teflon-coated pan if food happens to stick. However, with the right tools and techniques, a thorough cleaning is achievable. The main advantage, as we've discussed, is the superior heat distribution and retention provided by the stainless steel and aluminum construction. This leads to more consistent cooking results, reducing frustration and enhancing the overall cooking experience. The durability is another huge pro. A well-maintained stainless steel skillet can last a lifetime, making it a wise investment. The thoughtful design elements, like the curved sides, contribute to its functionality, making it a joy to use. In conclusion, the Sur La Table signature stainless steel skillet is a robust, versatile, and well-designed piece of cookware. It's built to last, offers excellent heat performance, and incorporates user-friendly features inspired by professional kitchens. If you're looking for a skillet that can handle everything from a quick breakfast to an elaborate dinner, and you appreciate quality construction that delivers consistent results, then this skillet is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.